Welcome guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this lecture, we will see how to find target of any stock. Mostly if you are trading, you might have found that you don't know where is our target. But as a trader, we need to know, it's very necessary to know where is our target, because how will you fix your risk and how will you fix your reward? Because if you are not fixing risk and reward, then I don't think this is a sustainable business. All right, so we will see with examples. I will show you two examples where I have traded and I found my target. All right, there are two rules which you need to remember for finding any target. Actually, these are two types of two ways to find the target of any stock or any instrument what you are trading. All right, first is fixed target and second is not fixed. That means one target is fixed, another is not fixed. Let's see with an example. See, in the first case, if the market is over here and from this level you see a breakout. All right, and in my previous lectures I have shown you, whenever this is a range, and whenever the market comes, this will act as a support. So suppose after a breakout you wait for a retracement. All right, and at the retracement you try to buy. Now when you buy, two things are there. As per the market condition, you know this is going to be a resistance. All right, so the first way is to, if you take entry over here, you put your SL here, the first target is this one. So this is the first way where his target is always fixed. Fixed means if you, before this breakout, if there is a major fall. All right, so in a major big trend, you are going to write a small uptrend. In this case, the target will be always fixed, because you don't know whether the market will go this way or will break this or not. This is the first way. Second way, we take the same scenarios. If it is selling and from this level a breakout comes. All right, and when the breakout comes, it is so strong. If you are unable to analyze it, then after the retracement, if the market consolidates and you get a breakout, and in this, the other way is your trailing a stop loss, or you can say target here can't be fixed. Target can't be fixed. The reason behind that, the market will keep creating values. Suppose the breakout comes, again market will make a range, again the breakout will come, market will arrange. So basically this is like a trend, and every resistance will keep acting as a support. All right, every resistance will keep working as a support. So these are the two ways in which you can fix your target. It will be more clear with some examples. Let's move on some examples. All right, see, this is the Asian pin chart, and before that you can see there is a lot of resistance. If you see here, here we are. See, this is a resistance because from the same place the market got reversed, and here also the market touched this previous resistance and the market came down. So this is a valid resistance. All right, now here, see, this breakout came, market was here with some rain, breakout came. After the breakout, the selling came here from this level. Now here, how we took entry, that are the different concepts, but in the simple way you can see a lot of wicks are over there. All right, wicks are very important element, where you can find the how see, wicks are a indicator that will show you where the market is going to go ahead. In this area, see, a lot of support is there, and market here on this hammer hits below this support line and takes away all the SL. After that, what happens? Breakout. And suppose here you take a buy trade, then what happens? What can be your target? Target can be this area. But if you will see this area, this resistance, market is going upward but is not sustaining above this area. So this can be our target, soft target. So the market goes over here and see, the market rejects from there. So here we can fix our target in this case. But say there are some examples where you can't fix your sorry, you can't fix your targets. I will go with another example also. See, this is Coal India chart. All right, this is already a established uptrend for a longer period of time. Now, where here I was, all right, and the same thing is there. A breakout came, is consolidation here, a big consolidation, and below this level, market went. but it suits up. Now what happened after this range? A breakout came, and here was our resistance. Here was our resistance. Now what I was planning to enter here, but I didn't take entry here. When the 15 minutes candle closed at 503 level, if you are taking an entry here, then there is a confusion in your mind that whether you have to book profits over here or not, right? Because if you will see the risk reward, if you will see the risk reward, see it is, almost if it is going to touch, this is 5 points and the risk is 7 points. So this is not a proper business. All right. Now here, if you observe some few things, you will be able to ride the complete trend. See the movement. All right. If now if you can see, the risk is 7 points and the reward you may fix 14 points, 1:2 trade. But the question is, how will you get to know that this trade is going to perform? This question might be coming in your mind. All right. So what we are going to do, see the strength here. If you see, in this case, if you see, the sellers are getting too much strong. All right. Sellers are too much strong. From this area, heavy rejection earlier, also a lot of rejection was there. So this was not a fresh level. But in this example, this is just one time it went up, and this area, when the selling is coming, it is not too much violent. Here it is too much violent. Here it's not violent. And see the buyers are getting very stronger. So in this case, if you can analyze, if you can analyze this strength of the buyers and sellers, then you can easily find your target. So in this case, if your opponent, if you're, in simple words, if I will say you, if the opponent is very strong, opponent is very strong, your targets will be limited. Right. And if your opponent is weak, you can trail your targets. So it's more obvious, it was most obvious that this level will break. So sometimes you might get questions in your mind whether the level, whether this area, whether this point, whether this resistance will break or not. So the answers as right here. If the selling is weak, if the selling is weak, then the market is going to break that resistance. If the selling is tough, if selling is very strong, and the buyers are not comparatively strong as per the previous seller, then your targets are going to limited. All right. So I will write it down here. Two types of targets you have to see, that one is fixed target and other is not fixed. And in this case, how will you analyze it? The first thing is that, the first thing is that need to check, need to check a strength of buyer and seller. If you check the strength of buyer and seller, you will be able to find target. If opponent is, if opponent is strong, if opponent is strong, target is fixed. If opponent is weak, target can be trailed, it can't be fixed. So these are the two rules which will help you to find the target of any stock, whether you have to long it for a longer way or you have to book profits. Right. I hope if it is useful to you, hit like and subscribe. All right. Thanks for watching.